Hello, Robert Mills here, Riverside Wealth Advisors, with our tip of the week. Do you remember as a child reading about Alice in Wonderland? And she comes upon the cat and says, "Where do I go to from here?" To which the cat says, "Well, that depends on where it is you want to get to." I find all the time there are people sort of wandering around in the financial services world looking for a way to go. But the way to go depends on a great deal on where it is you want to get to. Sometimes these people stumble upon a person who provides stocks and bonds, and they offer that particular strategy as the one solution in retirement planning. Or they may come across somebody else that just suggests income annuities, and that person provides that one product, that one solution to provide a stream of income. And then there are others who depend on rental income, and they would suggest real estate. One of the things that I pride myself on in being a part of Riverside Wealth Advisors is that when we put together retirement plans, it's not just a one trick pony. Instead, we look at all the different options and opportunities that might exist in helping someone put together a financial plan that's going to provide them with a great deal of diversity when it comes to their income planning. So, as you take a look at your own financial plan, let me encourage you to know where it is you want to get to before you put together the strategies to help you get there. Again, this is Robert Mills, Riverside Wealth Advisors. Thanks for listening.